Hi, my name is Stacy and I work for ASA Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about your InCommand prep system and how to upgrade to your 2-button switch plate. Once you've received your upgrade kit, you're going to have your body control module, which is the brain box here, and you'll also have your 2-button switch plate. For safety purposes, we're going to shut off all power to the unit. That includes at your battery disconnect and at shore power. After you have disconnected your shore power, you're going to move on to try to find the prep plate. This is normally located next to a switch plate on the wall or directly inside an entryway. Once you have located your prep plate, you'll notice that there's a QR code on the front of this. This is where you will scan and it'll take you to a landing page. That will give you instructions on what to order, which includes the body control module and the 2-button switch plate. Once you receive your products, you're going to take the prep plate off of the wall and we're going to install the 2-button switch plate. With this, you will need a screwdriver that includes either a Phillips head bit or a square head bit. You will also need a flathead screwdriver as well. Let's get started. You will notice on the back that the RVC cable, which is already installed, and the power and ground wire is also back here as well. What you will need to do is you're going to take this off, and this also is with a Phillips bit as well. Now that it is ready for your 2-button switch plate. Now that your prep plate is removed, you will notice that there is an RVC cable back here, and there's also a power and ground. One thing to point out here, if these have not been stripped, these will need to be stripped with a wire stripper. Now we're ready to install our 2-button switch plate. What you will need to do on the back, there is a place for your RVC cable to connect. Then you're going to put your power and ground into this other connection. So we will install. Black goes in the negative connection. Take your screwdriver and tighten with the screws. And then you'll take the red and place it in the positive connector. Now that everything is in place, you will put the switch plate over the same holes as what the prep plate was in, and you'll take the same screws and you'll replace them. Now that you've installed your 2-button switch plate, it's now time to move forward and find the location to where your body control module is going to be installed. This is either in a pass-through or a forward location or any other utilitarian location as well. That is going to be covered with either a sticker that says InCommand, or you will have your harness that will automatically be exposed for you. There's also an option for a cover that is over the area that is covering up the harness and the RVC cable. Once you have found that location, now it is time to remove either the cover or the sticker, or if you have the harness, that's an extra bonus that's exposed, so you don't really have to take anything off now. Let's get started. Once your cover is removed, you will see that there is a harness that will be exposed here. There's also going to be the RVC cable and the power and ground behind that wall. Now you are ready to install the body control module. That's going to be this piece here. I recommend installing the body control module first before you make any of the connections. You're going to take your screws that you had already taken out from the cover. It's now time to connect the RVC cable, the power and ground cable, and the 22-pin connection harness. We're going to take the RVC cable first, and you'll place it in the connector like so. And then you're going to take your power and ground. Take the red and place it in the positive connector. Black goes in the negative connection. And you will take your flathead screwdriver, tighten that down. "22-pin connection harness. Now that you've made all the connections to your BCM, it's now time to put on the hard cover. So we'll take that like so, and it should just snap right in place. Now that you've installed your body control module and restored power to your unit, it's now time to get you started with downloading the InCommand app. What you will need to do is go to the App Store, download the app with the 3 blue hexagons with RV underneath. With the app installed on your mobile device, press and hold the Bluetooth button on the switch plate in your RV until the lights begin flashing. This means that your InCommand system is in pairing mode. On your mobile device, search your InCommand system in your device's Bluetooth settings. Your system will display as NCSP60, followed by the 6-digit device ID. Once you find that, tap the name to pair. If you're asked if you want to pair, select yes. You now have the capability to customize your floor plan. That includes adding in your awnings, lights, slides, and jacks. With your device paired to your InCommand system, open the InCommand app. Go to Settings, then Configuration. This InCommand control system can operate up to 2 awnings, 4 slides, 3 lights, and front and rear jacks. Select all the functions your RV is equipped with and confirm. Thank you for watching with us today and for joining in on InCommand. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at asaelectronics.com.